My name is Eleanor Hayes. I am 62 years old. I live alone in my small cottage in Bath. My husband passed away 10 years ago. I have only one daughter, Sophia. Sophia moved to Australia many years ago. Now she lives there with her husband and their 2 children. She has a comfortable life. She has a big house, a good job, and she seems happy. But I am here alone. Every morning, I wake up early. I tidy the cottage. I cook for myself. In the evenings, I sit quietly, and nobody visits. Sophia rarely calls. Sometimes she sends a little money. Sometimes she says, "Mom, I'll visit soon." But she never comes. Still, I wait for her. I love her deeply. She is my daughter. I keep her childhood drawings and photos in a little box and look at them every day. One afternoon, there was a knock at my door. I opened it, and it was Sophia. I couldn't believe my eyes. "Sophia, you really came?" I whispered. She smiled warmly. I hugged her, tears streaming down my face. We went inside, and I made tea. We sat and talked. I asked, "How are the kids? How is Mark?" She said, "They're all doing well." Then I asked why she had come. She said softly, "I missed you, Mom. I worry about you living alone. I want you to come to Australia. You'll be safe and happy there." I hesitated. This cottage had been my home for decades. My husband had lived here. I couldn't just leave. She looked concerned. "Eleanor, Mom. This cottage is old. You need comfort and care. In Australia, you will have your own room. You can spend time with the children every day. They want to see you too." That night, I sat alone, thinking. I didn't want to leave, but Sophia was my only daughter. The next morning, she said, "Mom, we can sell this place. You won't need it anymore. You can start a new life with us." I hesitated but then agreed. I packed my things. Sophia took me to the airport. I felt a mixture of sadness and joy. I was leaving my home but going to be with my daughter. At the airport, Sophia said, "Mom, wait here. I'll bring a wheelchair." The walk is long. Minutes passed. Then more minutes. Sophia didn't return. I began to feel uneasy. After almost an hour, a police officer approached me. "Ma'am, are you waiting for someone?" I explained everything and showed him her photo and ticket. He nodded solemnly. "I'm sorry, ma'am." She boarded the flight. The plane has already taken off. I was frozen. "No, she promised she would come for me." I whispered. Tears filled my eyes. The officer, seeing my distress, offered, "Please come with me. My wife is kind, and you won't be alone tonight." I hesitated but went with him. His wife welcomed me, cooked dinner, and treated me like family. Over the following days, I stayed with them. They cared for me, and slowly, I found comfort again. Later, I learned the flight Sophia took had crashed. There were no survivors. My daughter was gone. But the strangers who had helped me became my new family. I prayed for Sophia's soul and for her children. I had lost my daughter but found love and care in unexpected people. One day, the man asked, "Do you ever think about returning to your cottage?" I smiled. I already lost that home, but I found a new one here. If you liked this story, please like, share and subscribe.